Bonnie Gay pulling up in the Beast. All right, guys, lining up for the show. Got the Beast coming at me. Bonnie Gay there. Check this thing out. Good morning, Bonnie.
Waste gas.
Give it a touch of gas. A little.
Oh no.
Pop it a little.
No,
a little
no,
bit.
no.
As the Vette said, pulls up. We got Bob. I cheated. Got here first. All right, new members. Come on in, guys. See, my favorite place is parking by the hot rod garage. All right.
Hey, Bob.
I cheated and got here before everybody.
You did.
Yeah. Okay, guys.
Nice job.
We got them coming in. How's it going?
How you doing?
We got
Another good day.
Dick here. All right. I cheated here and got here first.
No, not me.
I know. We got the whole club pulling in.
How you going?
Good. I cheated and got here first.
All right.
All right, we got the club coming in. Excuse me.
Excuse me?
Zooming by. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, you can come somewhere.
More members of the Vette set. Did you sit? Good girl. Speak, come on. Good girl. Good girl. Lay down. Good girl.